Hawa watu wa Hali Connect tungewaomba muendelee pia hivyo hivyo. Juu bado kuko na watu bado the same case wako nayo.
Nashukuru Hali Connect kutusaidia kutoka huku juu wametuletea gifts na wametufanyia kitu kubwa sana yenye hatukuwa tuna imagine, hatukuwa tuna expect. Lakini kwa nguvu za Mungu tuko nadhani tutalala huku, lakini hatutalala. Na tunawashukuru sana na huko muende mbarikiwe, hiyo kazi pia igrow.
Tunapata biashara kama sisi wanabiashara, tuna prefer sana kurudisha mkono kwa society, and that's why tumeamua tukuje hapa tushirikiane na hawa mama zetu ambao wameshindwa kuenda nyumbani, tuwapatie kidogo ile tulicho nacho kama Hali Connect, at least tuwaunganishe na familia zao. Tumechagua Mama Lucy Hospital kwa sababu gani? Mama Lucy Hospital ni hospitali kubwa na hawa wenye wako hapa ndio wanunuzi na wauzaji wenye tunawategemea katika eneo la Nairobi. Tukifanya kwa uwezo wetu mchache kuwatoa, kuwaweka, kuwarudisha nyumbani, tunawafungulia njia.
And these teenage mothers are 16 years old, 17, 19, 18. They have babies, but they do not have a way to get back home because the bill has accumulated and they can't afford to pay. Please remember, the kind of patients we receive here live below $1 a day. And so you can imagine a hospital bill if they are not covered under SHA. Now, where they are under 18, they cannot be registered for SHA, so that compounds the problem. But when you receive guests that are able to pay their bill and bring other goodies, they brought them other merchandise that they are going home with.
Gwishiria ucio ni horo mwega muno makiria shira wegi gukumio ya kigena kia muingi kwitukira mutambo wa ugania wa igoti wa Jambo Pay ni urambirire igoti ni ria Milimani goku Nairobi kuri uria wari murugari munene wa mutambo wa ugania wa igoti wa Jambo Pay Danson Mushemi arangethirwo ni thitango cia ungumania wa kigena kia muingi kuhitukira mutambo uyu.
Shira wa gukumio ya kigena kia muingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni uthite na mbere igoti-ini ria Milimani goku Nairobi kuria mwena wa thitango heanete wira wao kuhitukira ira matiganete aria ni hamwe na uria wari abitha wa borithi uria watongoragia uthuthuria shira-ini uyu Joseph Odoro uria wirite igoti ati uria wari munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI bururi-ini Ndegwa Mohoro nowe wathanire kwambikwo kwa uthuthuria wa shira ucio.
I was directed by the former director DCI Mr. Ndegwa Mohoro to proceed to sit down. It being a special team to investigate a case of fraud that was happening at the national office at City Hall in Nairobi. I was heading that special team.
Odoro erite mucirithania wa igoti riri Charles Odieki ati uthuthuria wao warongoreirie gikundi kia maabitha mutambo uyu wa Jambo Pay aria wira wao wari kungania magoti hatari kumakinyia kuri thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Mateta maria maheanetwo ni uria wari governor wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Sonko.
The revenue were being collected by a company known as Jambo Pay Web Tribe, whose owner was told was one Mr. Danson Mushemi.
Mwena-ini wake uria wari minister wa kigina kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Winfred Gathagu erite igoti ati maabitha nene thirikari-ini mari na mubango wa kuhagura Governor Sonko kuma wabici-ini kuhitukira kumukuruhania na ngukumio ya kigina kia muingi.
Is it indeed true that there were changes during the tenure of the governor then, Mr. Mike Mbuvi Sonko, with the changes in terms of staff, especially the cashiers that you talk about? There were changes?
Yeah, there were changes.
Okay.
Yeah, there were a lot of changes, especially in the finance department.
Geared towards fighting?
Towards fighting corruption.
Shira uyu ni utanyitwo guthie na mbere na guthikiririo kiumia giki. Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jitsago Mwaura, Wagunya.
Na riu reke tumurike ciĩgiĩ icera rĩa Rigathi Gachagua Amerika kuria atongoria matiganĩte thirikari-inĩ mathiĩte na mbere gũkĩrĩra ũrĩa warĩ mũnini wa president Rigathi Gachagua kumana na ũteti wake ũrĩa ũkuruhanĩtio na icigo imwe, rĩu makĩmũria ona arĩ nja wa bũrũri etheme gũcambia mwathanĩre wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Minista wa hinya ũrĩa tũhũthagĩra Opiyo Wandayi nĩwe wa ica ikuhĩ gũkuruhania Gachagua na ũkabira nja wa bũrũri akiuga nĩ aracokia na thutha mĩto ya president ya kũnyitithania a Kenya. Mwena-inĩ wake mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ĩno Alex Wachira augĩte gĩcigo kĩa gatagatĩ ga bũrũri gĩtitigĩtwo nja ya thirikari na ũguo gĩtingĩcokia.
Ni mukura tauni mwe. Nika unda. Mukura gogo. Wewe.
Lazima sisi sote kama wananchi na viongozi tubaki kuwa wazalendo. Tudumishe uzalendo. Tudumishe uzalendo. Juzi nilifurahi sana nikiona kwa runinga au social media watoto wadogo Gen Z wa Kenya wanaoishi kule Amerika walikataa mambo ya ukabila. Nilifurahi sana. We are now being taught by our own children that we need to be nationalistic. Our children are ahead of us. Our own children are steps ahead of us. They are teaching us that we need to be nationalistic. And that as countrymen and women, whenever we go out of the country, we must preach unity and nationalism, not tribalism and sectarianism. Mambo ya umoja hawana nchi. La pili ni amani.
Msisikize porojo ya watu ambao wanaeneza porojo makiuga ate tutirikari eti nyumokirie mugethura thirikari eno niguo katiguo o hindi toigire ni mutimio uri kocio hindi ya magetha uraga uri muona ati hindi ya magetha akora muri muona acha mutimia ndoraga hindi ya magetha ati thirikari eno as we speak we have 8 ministers spread across the mountain region. We have 15 PSs spread across the mountain region. Na hena mundu watu murakanwa akamwira mutiri thirikari. Ni amuhenya kada ramuheni. Ni amuhenya kada ramuheni. Na muririkane andu aitu. No nginya tuikare tukiendanaga.
Na niwaonye nyinyi kama marafiki zangu. Nyinyi msikubali mfanyishwe siasa ya kuwapotosha. Hiyo ni kama gani? Ya chuki na fitina. Hiyo msikubali. Emwegwa? Niki ni tondo ateti mamenanaga umunthe rucio kina makora methareno mamenana matimwiraga kana teguo mendana matimwiraga mamwira arire mekatia mabitania kana teguo haja yako bata waku ni ugie na mai makulima ugie na thitima njira uthondekerwe na kithomo kiagire kana teguo.
Kũu nĩ mwena wa Runyenjes kaunti-inĩ ya Embu. Mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja nĩ akorete haceke thutha wake kũgera ngĩrĩrĩba igũrũ rĩgiĩ kũrega kũhe rũhonge rwa borithi rwa NPS rũtha rwa gũthũrima rũhonge rũrũ. Mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya mbunge gĩkĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ ya mbunge nĩ mekĩrire nganja ũruti wa wĩra wa rũhonge rwa borithi makĩenda Kanja atige kũhithania maũndũ megiĩ borithi. Reke tũthiĩ mwena ũcio kũrĩa gĩikaro gĩkĩ kĩrathiĩ na mbere tũthikĩrĩrie nĩ marĩkũ marahanĩka.
State that all the records, the reports that the commission, which I'm also a member, any record, any report that it requires is mandated by the law to get from the National Police Service.
All records, including payroll. I want you to add that, including payroll. Yes.
We are open to that. They can be able to get it in time. And I have stated there earlier that I'm also a member of that commission. Thank you, Chair.
Yes, Maria.
Chair, that is not clear. We want the IG and everybody in this room to comply with the Constitution of Kenya and comply with the National Police Service Commission Act, which states everything to do with HR matters. That includes their welfare, that includes their payroll, that includes everything, should actually be handled by the commission. And therefore, it is not about giving them records or giving them access to reports. If anything, the person who should be giving reports is the commission giving reports to the IG, not the other way around. So what we want in clarity today, Chair, is that all records and any documentation in relation to staff of the National Police Service Commission is handed over. Chair, I don't know who is talking to, but Chair, let me finish. All the records and documentation is handed over to the National Police Service Commission, so that tomorrow, if a police officer, no, allow me to finish. Tomorrow, if a police officer is not treated, we ask the Police Service Commission, not the police service.
I would propose that you make a ruling on this matter, now that you've had every witness. And I would recommend that a ruling be made on when, just as we do to everybody else, whether it's a week, today, tomorrow, 2 weeks, that the National Police Service hands over. It's not to give access. There's a difference, by the way. There is a difference between access and being given the IP, you call it, I don't know what you call it. Yes. So you give the timeline, and we need feedback from submit it to the Auditor General. I don't know where the Auditor General got that.
Thank you. Chair, yes, Namwan.
You know, in the beginning, I was just talking about access to the payroll and these other documents. We are wasting our time. Chair, this lady called Lemedeket, I want you to be pronouncing that name always, because for me, you may there is a way in which you are being overlooked in the commission. Correct. As the requesting for what is in question. And you have just been able to say you are not able to receive. Meaning, this commission is under the IG, who is a member of the commission.
And an employee.
And an employee. Meaning, you have overlaps. You have overlaps either in terms of your functions. You have overlaps either in terms of your seniority in some way or another. But what we request from you is a response to this letter that was written by the CEO to the PSC, the lady here, the Medicate. Meaning, Honorable Chair, I need you to know that there is seamless relationship as they have alluded. We must see that you are really cooperating, you are able to give access. And auditor, Chair, sorry to speak to the office of the auditor. I don't know, you are speaking from both mouths. You are in the negative and again in the positive. If you have accessed the payroll, why were you, the auditor will handle the auditor ourselves. You should receive the payroll through the commission, as always and as stated in law.
We want to make a ruling. Now, please, 1 second, please. We make a ruling, we move on.
In your ruling, I want you to consider the recommendation by the task force that was set by the president that recommended that the commission withdraws, recalls back all tools delegated to the police service. So that we can have sanity in this country.
Yes. So, IG and the accounting officer of National Police Service, we want you, especially the accounting officer, to hand over all the HR function, especially the payroll. You hand over, you don't give the commission the access, but you hand over all the HR function. And this is immediately. Don't say we are going to give it in 1 week. No. Make it as soon as you get back to the office.
And in writing.
and in writing, and I want the CEO for the commission to write back to Public Accounts Committee. Immediately you get it, to write back. Yes.
And comply.
Yeah. The moment she hands over, you write back to the committee that you are now okay to execute your constitutional functions. Yes, and you come back to confirm in a 2 weeks' time. And the relationship should be cordial. You are all Kenyans. IG, some of these functions might even land you in problems when they are not supposed to be yours. Give the commission the functions so that the commission is able to execute, and even the security in Kenya will improve. Because the recruitment, the promotion and everything will be handled professionally and with the commission. Please, with those few remarks, I don't want to give a comeback. It's a ruling of the committee. And we want
na tugitigana na riboti yo egie ogiteri tuthie riboti nege kuria uthuthuria wa postmortem mweri-ini wa Juri wa Ngui uria wakwirire thero-ini ya borithi ya Nanyuki wonanitie akuire gikuo gia kawaida. Riboti iria family yake ireganite nayo ni ndeto iratumuria githagathago thibitari-ini wa Nanyuki Cottage thutha wa family kwaga gwitikania na riboti ya uthuthuria wa mwiri uria uratafanirio ni marigitari atatu a uthuthuria wa miri na thutha wa githagathago marethara mweri uyo tariki 15 athuthuria a miri ni matafanetie postmortem ya mwiri wa Wangui indi makiuga matiahotire kurekereria na magitie ihinda ria ciumia igiri kurekereria family ino riu irauga kwaya gukorwo mwana wao ni kuhurwa hurirwo ni maafitha borithi guku makiregana na riboti cia ati ari na thina wa mwiri.
We do not have Julie's medical records before the postmortem. I mean, she was operated on. It's her right. Even before now she's called deceased, she's alive. The hospital owes her and her next of kin a duty of care. We do not have any hospital records to say that this is what happened to her brain. She was bleeding in her cranium, she was doing this and this and this. What we have is a postmortem report based on what they say are medical records that have not been availed to the family. So how does the family confirm that this is actually what happened in theatre when Julie was under the custody of Nanyuki Cottage Hospital? So there's a lot of opaqueness here. The postmortem has been done, but we will be very categorical and say that we will not accept these findings in their entirety as has been presented until those medical records have been given to us.
Tunauliza serikali ni lazima watupatie jawabu. Sababu ya leo si jawabu. Ilikuwa ya kutuletea uongo, kutuletea nini? Tumeona DCI wakitupatia uongo, tumeona na madaktari wakituletea uongo ya kila kitu. Ile kifo ya Julie si vile wanasema ati ni natural death. Ya Julie ni hao ndio wako na collaboration na kuna vitu nyingi sana wamefanya.
So everybody woke up. So all the doctors, we not have any report. We were left alone. So we needed to be given our body today so that we start alleging about the burial. We have already taken care of everything, but they ran away without telling us an answer. Because now 2 weeks, the trauma that we have been traumatized. We don't sleep. Like me last night, I don't sleep. I have not even eaten. Nobody's eating. Why should they punish us like that? Now we don't know what to do, but we are not going to get out of here until they give us the body.
Na kuma Nanyuki tuthie kaunti ya Nyandarua kuria muingi wa itura ria Kiandege wadi-ini ya Rishaupondo kaunti ya Nyandarua no homuke mitangiko meigi ria makoretwo makigerera ni undu wa wagi wa barabara cia gutuikania kuma itura-ini riri nyagia mwena wa Ngai Ndeithia. Akinyabara uthondeki wa barabara ino MCA wa Rishaupondo Gathugu Kamau hamwe na muingi wa itura riri maugite rumiumirire ya magetha mao irio ni kuhutha na maninirwo minoga ya ihinda ria miaka miingi ihinda-ini riu aikari marenda mekirwo thitima amu matuire ndumaini.
Na nĩ ithuĩ tũrakĩheanire ga-piece kau nĩgetha barabara ici inyitane tondũ andũ maraumaga Kĩanda magathiĩ rũgongo tondũ kũringana na mĩgũnda ũrĩa yatũrirwo kuma rũĩ kinya rũgongo mũndũ batakinya rũgongo hatarĩ handũ angĩkĩrĩra no rĩu nĩ kwagĩa na njĩra nĩ yagĩa raithi andũ nĩ marĩonaga ha gũtonyera na rĩu tũkona nĩ wega tondũ tũraririe na mũthuri ũyũ gwĩtwo Kĩmaru na tũratuĩka nĩ tũkũnengerana handũ hau
no nginya rĩu jirani angĩrathire akorwo akĩhĩtaithia jirani ũrĩa ũngĩ na gwa kũhĩtũkĩra na nginya gũtirĩ ngari ĩngĩragereire kuua akorwo nĩ mũndũ wa boda boda rĩu no kuma ũmũthĩ nĩ twagĩa na njĩra ya gũtuĩkĩria kuo kwoguo ndĩna ngatho mũno kũrĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo MCA Gathũngũ ndĩna ngatho kũrĩ mwene mũgũnda nĩwe Kĩmaru Mzee Kĩmaru na mũthuri wĩtagwo ithe wa Kamau nĩ gũkorwo nĩ maretĩkĩrire kũheana gacehemu kau ka mũgũnda
na no ngũgĩcokeria gavana wa Nyandarua mũthuri ti ndagĩtarĩ Kĩarie Mbadilisha ngatho tondũ tiga nĩwe uhete mbeca icio cia budget nigetha ahote kũgũra bara ĩno gũtingĩhotekeka gwĩka ũguo kwoguo nĩ wega tũkĩrutithanie wĩra na thirikari ĩno ya Kĩarie Mbadilisha nigetha tũhote kũhingũra matũra maya maitũ nĩ twahota kũhingũra bara ĩno na kahinda kangĩthianga tũngĩona mahiga nĩ tũkũmĩita nigetha ĩkorwo yo weather road no bara iria nyingĩ nĩ tuhotete gũita mahiga na matũra marĩa tũtakĩhotete gũkorwo tũitĩte nĩ tũroka tũkoretwo itũra rĩa Aberdare nĩ ndĩri harĩ Aberdare Teachers Training College na wiki ĩno nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩthiĩ itũra rĩa Nyakĩnyua nigetha tũthondeke itũra rĩa Nyakĩnyua na tũhutie Mũthĩga na tũtigũkĩaga handũ tũkũhutia Ndivai na itũra rĩa gwa Kũng'ũ.
Ni riboti ya mwanya muno kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua na riboti yo itukinyeire kuumana na uhoti wa mwandiki witũ Francis Mwangi wa wĩra kuma kaunti yo na riboti yo niyo tugutiriha nayo gĩkũnjo gitu kia mohoro gĩtau mohoro mangĩ kumamũkĩra wona ciada thaa 1 na thaa 3 cia ũtukũ niĩ tuma na Wangũi wa Mwangi thĩinĩ wa metha ya ũtaũri nanie njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.